In today's video, I'm going to teach you Discord Watch multiple live streams. If you've ever been in a busy server where several friends are sharing their screens at once, this feature lets you view them side by side so you can keep up with all the action without juggling windows. It's simple, it's built into Discord, and it makes group watch sessions, study rooms, and game nights a lot smoother. First, open Discord and join a voice channel that currently has more than one active stream. You'll know you're in the right place when you see multiple users marked as live or a screen share indicator next to their names in that voice channel. This only works when several people are already streaming inside the same channel, and you need to be in that channel to view them together. Desktop is the most reliable experience for watching multiple streams at once, and a stable internet connection helps the videos load quickly and stay in sync. Once you're in the channel with those active streams, look for the eye icon labeled Start Watching Multiple Streams. This icon appears when Discord detects more than one stream in the voice channel. Click the eye to open the multi-stream view. That's the key that tells Discord to organize all those live streams into a single, easy-to-watch layout. After you click the eye, Discord will arrange the streams in a grid. Each tile shows who's streaming so you can quickly identify what you're looking at. Streams may load one by one depending on your connection. You don't need to turn on your own camera or share your screen to use this, you're just watching. Audio behavior can vary based on your settings, but expect to hear the streamer's audio along with normal voice chat. If your connection is slower, Discord may temporarily lower the quality to keep everything playing smoothly. That's normal and usually improves as your connection stabilizes. If you don't see the eye icon, it usually means only one person is streaming. There are no active screen shares in that channel. You're not actually connected to the voice channel, or you're on a device that doesn't support multi-stream viewing the same way. Some servers also limit who can share screens, which affects when the option appears. Performance is best when your device has available resources, and closing heavy background apps can help multi-stream playback feel smoother. That's all there is to it. Join a voice channel with multiple streams, click the eye that says Start Watching Multiple Streams, and enjoy a clean, consolidated view of everyone's live streams in one place.